The Tollesboro Lions Club was approached in October of 2017. I asked if we would want the opportunity to try to take on this project of installing this playground here in Tollesboro. Basically, all we came into was pictures of what it was going to look like. But that's all they provide, is the equipment. Everything else has to be done by the club. We had no idea just how complex it was going to be till the equipment started coming in by the pallet load. We had a wheelchair swing. We needed to be able to get to that, so we're going to have to install concrete. We're going to have to put down mulch, rubber mulch. The club members got together. We met here on a couple of work nights. We put the filter fabric down, put the rubber mulch down. Where we're sitting was actually, there was a fence right here, which we had to remove. And then we decided we were going to need to build a new fence anyway, because our old fence was falling down. Just the playground, not counting the fence, ended up being a $65,000 project. But it's been well received. The community has really enjoyed the use of the playground. I'm surprised there's not kids here today. Of all the 27 active members that we have, every one of them has participated in this playground event, every one of them.
It's been a lot of late nights, but it's all worth it when you see the smiles on the faces and the write-ups in the paper and how our community takes pride and supports this.
To each and every one of you who has rolled up your sleeves to make this project possible, thank you so much. We are going to announce the winner at the Kentucky State Fair. The Lieutenant Governor and I will then come to the winning location and have a barbecue lunch in celebration with everybody that helped to make the winning selection possible. To every one of you who has done what you've done to beautify the bluegrass across the entire Commonwealth, thank you. Together, we are Kentucky.